Yun yan. Live yan ha.
Live.
Kasi live yan. Ay. Apa yan? Lasing ah.
Mabok ka.
Mabok. Mabok ka na. Wala pang viewers. Wala pang viewers.
Hi guys!
Yan, hi guys.
Chop tayo. Dan. Hi guys! Ako Paloy. Ako dahil.
Ang mga bababain to,
Paloy! Raulo!
Hindi na ito bababain pag bumaba. Yan, may 3 million viewers na tayo. Shout out Joseph. Si Joseph. Robert na talikod. Shout out kay Robert De Valle.
Wala kang load eh.
Eh mga kasama namin, iniwan na kami. Hindi pala pwede. Paano may ano siya? Kung i-front. Dito pa. Para makakita sila sa ako.
Okay, that's going out to Ryan who texted back, and we've got some
Malis na kamo yung truck ng basura. Iniwan na kami.
Iniwan na kami ng kasama namin, no?
Updates with Water Runs Dry. Okay, this was requested by Maya, who wants to give a shout out to her friends at Dental Nurse Intake Singapore, 96 to 1999. Haja Sur, Dina, Hazina, Haja Mala, Haja Shama, Haja Ronnie, Haja Kamisa, Jamie, Baz, Mariani, Ira, Aya, Tina, and Viva. Have a good rest after a long
shout out kay Sis Juan, Sis Juan
in Tumburong.
From Sapbidi Group.
Shout out kay Chop Chop.
Shout out kay Chop Chop. Chop Chop na.
Shout out sa darating na tatlo. Magandang lalaki yung nasa ulihan. Batang bata.
Ano? Yan.
Sige, wala. Shout out.
Saan ka lang?
Wala na pagparating. Okay na, alis tayo. Tara. Ay, sorry. Ada orang lagi. Takot din, kita tingin ba? Ada orang putih ba?
Bagos ba? Pwede na.
Ready?
Pugi ko ano.
Wala na, hindi makita.
Paano ba?
Ay, ito di mo kalam. Di ba wala?
Na?
Ay, alit gate, akaro?
Pag-abot, pag-awa niyo. Pag-atuloy ko na, awa doon na dito.
Mag-ulo pag kapit siya, ano ah? Amy.
Ipogi ka ka ha? Ayan na.
Isa yung panira.
Pogi nga mga
Isa yung tiron. Gare?
Ha? Gare siguro?
Sa Danatrek, yung may-ari ng hanger. Si Domingo Pakabaklay.
Ay, 7,000 viewers na tayo. Ang dami oh. 7,000. Grabe.
Domingo magkasakay.
I don't care.
Bata.
Ay, babay na.
Shoutout sa Papa Nick ng bus, yung may-ari ng hanger. Seryoso. Wala.
Sino ate? Ay, pasundo pala sila na. Ate.
Sino?
Yan.
Tumayaw ka.
Ha?
Tingin mo. Tingin mo, nakikita.
A few questions that I need to know. How you could ever hurt me so.
Murag na pugi.
Whether it's dining,
Nagkamaling
retail
sack.
selling, or maybe fun with the kids. You can find the full list of participating partners on our website. Plus, if you sign up now for a Standard Chartered credit card, you get 3 years annual fee waiver, 10 times reward points. If you've already got one, don't worry. You'll get 3 times reward points. Sign up for a credit card today on sc.com/bn. Terms and conditions apply. Standard Chartered.
Patulungi dia, Brad.
For good. Kicking it old school. The 90s.
So come all to a 10-day family-oriented winter-themed carnival, the DST Winter Wonders, this 23rd of December until the 27th of December, and then again from the 30th of December until the 3rd of January 2021 at the Jurong Park Playground. There'll be a mixture of fun traditional English and carnival games, winter-themed food and beverages, musical performances by Relentless Entertainment, and so much more. The DST Pavilion is making its comeback, bringing lots of offers on products and services, bundle offers, and amazing lucky draw prizes, including the brand new iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 mini phones, and also the Apple Watch SE. A lot of fun, engaging activities for you and your family to enjoy, and with prizes and you can get more information on the DST Winter Wonders by visiting the DST website at www.dst.com.bn/winterwonders.
Napon yung ba? Kalaro niyo pala yan, ha? Bagos, ha?
Lagi ba? Loy ba? Bagos. Apa ini?
Ibrahim, also Abang Duan, your mommy wants to say hi to you. And we have got a birthday shout out to Hajar Rosila of the IBD Collection and Recovery Department from your Fab 5. Happy birthday to you. Also, Rabs says, happy birthday to my mom, BS. Here's a big hug for your favorite child. I wish you a year full of surprises, presents, joy, and laughter. So happy birthday to you as well, BS. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I love all the messages that come through all the time.
Shout out kay Clear.
Also, we've got Rian. Some Red Hot Chili Peppers.
Dati nasa bahay lang, ngayon ano na, kahit saan na.
And also, another person texted in saying, hi Monica, my daughter Zara asks if you can play Wannabe from the Spice Girls. We love your shows. Thank you so much. And of course I can. Here is Wannabe by the Spice Girls. Have a great rest of your Tuesday. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. I'll be on with Nazi for the Taylor Breakfast Show. Bye.
Ohio de la Cruz. Dati nasa bahay na, ngayon napagsira na. Alam na nila yan, Claire. Ada sayur.
Oh. Yang sana. Retro.
Ah, retro. Magkano yung sayur ah? Ah, sini?
Dapat.
Mustafa.
Basta.
Mufakat. Ano eh?
Pakat.
Pakat.
Pakat ha?
Uy, atalo!
Class. Gonna let me. Medyo traffic lang. Sa mansion namin, White Castle.